Last April 8, 2025, we conducted an interview about employees, asking them about their daily responsibilities, statutory benefits, and the company benefits it has. The details are in this video presentation. The first employee is Ms. Nolan Maybeo. She's currently working at Desmark Corporation as a product promoter, a work that needs marketing strategy made her more resilient and dedicated to her daily responsibilities. Desmark Corporation's statutory benefits include SSS, PAGI-BIG, 13-month pay, and others are not mentioned. Also, their company benefits include life insurance, sick leave with pay, etc.
Morning, ma'am. Pwede may pangutana sa pangalan, ma'am.
Malinway Pharmacy.
Lala may pangutana sa mga buwan, ma'am. Dapat sa mga subject, ma'am. Dapat dami ka question, ma'am. Ano sa'yo mong trabaho, ma'am? Huwag sa balance yung company. Kaya position sa trabaho, ma'am. Huwag pangalan sa company.
So, dali ko nagtrabaho sa Desmark Corporation, sir. So, as PCL sales promoter.
Ano sa'yo mga daily responsibilities in task sa company office, ma'am?
So, sa akong kuan dali, sir, is mag-promote dito sa akong mga products. So, advantage na pag-sales ang akong nakuanan po is marketing. So, mag-market dito sa mga kuan, sa mga products.
Ano sa'yo yung mga kuwan, ma'am? Statutory benefits in yung company, ma'am? Required by law.
Kuan siya ka ng mga benefits na
SSS, PhilHealth, statutory, ma'am.
kana siya mga pag-ibig, mga SSS. So kuan nagyap kanang balik kami manggod diri sa promoter is agency man mi pero cover sa amo ang kuan is na may mga SSS, pag-ibig, PhilHealth. So advantage nagyapon siya.
Mura gapon sa inyong company, ma'am. Benefits.
Same ra gyapon sa ila.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
The second employee is Ms. Jonal Jeona. She's currently working at Lasagna Company, offering multiple services, trucking services, construction supplies, etc. As HR assistant, facilitating the hiring and recruitment process, as well as reviewing and organizing applicants, resumes, and other documents. Accordingly, the company has statutory benefits, namely SSS, PAGI-BIG, PhilHealth, 13-month pay, and mid-year bonus. On the other hand, the company benefits are allowances in seminars and training, vacation leave with pay, and others are not elaborated.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Queenie and with my groupmates. So, sino na ito, ma'am?
I am Jonal Pihayona.
Hello, ma'am Jonah.
Jonal.
Jonah, good afternoon po. So, I would like to ask first, unsay imong trabaho, ma'am? Tapos, unsay name ano na company?
Okay, so I am Jonal Pihayona. I am a nature assistant here in RMCC Group of Companies, particularly RMC Petrol. So RMCC Group of Companies is a diversified company. So we RMCC owned not just one business but various businesses. So we have trucking, we have construction and supplies, we have fuel retail, and we also have subdivision. Bago lang na siya karon.
So, next questions is, unsay imong mga daily responsibilities and tasks sa company office, ma'am?
Okay. So as a nature assistant, so my role in specific is recruitment process. So I am in charge sa pagdawat sa aplikante, and then kung kasi manulod kasi manulod ng mga aplikante, and then ako na siyang i-scan, so if qualified ba ang ilahang mga qualifications, and then after sa pag-scan sa ilahang resume or sa ilang data, ako ang mag-line up sa ilaha for interview, and then after interview ako pinag-follow up sa ilang training, sa ilahang sa requirements nila after. So ako yung task is more on na sa RMC Petrol, so retail fuel. So ako usually gaka-handle is sa mga pump attendants o sa mga office clerks na mga applicants. But also, nagapit times na kadawat kapag since RMCC is dagan man gid kay siya businesses. So if naay drivers or sa RTC or sa realty, ako gyapon man.
Okay. So next questions is unsay mga statutory benefits sa ani nga company ma'am, like what is the benefit nga mandated sa law?
Okay. So, RMC Group of Companies, specifically sa RMC Petron, statutory benefits mandated by law, halos sa mga natatanan na mandated benefits sa mga mandated benefits sa government is naasa mo. So, isa ana, diba, isa SSS pag-ibig PhilHealth. So, naani ana na mga benefits. So, under sa SSS naaman na is sickness benefit, maternity benefit, disability benefit, napod tayo paternity, napod tayo loan, appeal po sa PhilHealth. So, naman po na sila yung mga konsulta benefits. So, naagyan po na sa mga. Also, si pag-ibig. And also, aside po ana, napod may 13th month pay, napod tayo service incentive leave, unsa pa ba? Mid-year, also mga napod ni mga supplemental na mga benefit na so napod ni kanang allowances, meals allowances, napod tay sa mga higher na position, napod tay fuel allowances. Actually daghan, pero di lang nako sa sumubay.
Okay. So that would be all. Thank you ma'am. Thank you for that.
Sige, thank you.